In the last years, we have worked deeply on this field. As you know, is the most important interest of our lab. So we are working on the new clinical trials that are looking at remyelination in acute optic neuritis, and that are looking at the changes within the brain with different kind of MRI imaging. We have published in 2023 a work on PNAS, in which we showed for the first time that we can use MRI to quantify remyelination within the corpus callosum. And the University of Cambridge has also ended a very important clinical trial, and they found with MRI that they can see improvement within lesions with remyelinating treatment. So we are really excited by these new researches. We believe that synaptic loss and remyelination are two concepts that should be studied together, and we are working on it, both on animal works and with and looking at our patients.